Well, here we have another log equation. In this particular equation, we have a couple different options to get started. My favorite option will be actually to just take this log base 7 of x minus 1 over to the left-hand side of the equation. And I'll do that by subtracting it from both sides. So I'm going to end up with log 7 of x plus 2 minus log 7 of x minus 1. That's just equal to the 1. Great. Now, since we're subtracting these two logs, I can actually just divide them. So I have log base 7 of x plus 2 over x minus 1. That's just equal to 1. Now, I want to get rid of the log. How can I do that? I can just rewrite this in exponential form. All I need to do is basically kick the 7 over to the right-hand side of the equation. The log will run away because it kicked the 7. The 7 will become the base, and the 1 will become the exponent. So I have 7 to the power of 1, which is just 7. Then what do we do? What we can do is just actually multiply both sides by x minus 1. We don't like fractions, do we? So we can just get rid of the denominator, and we no longer have a fraction. So x plus 2 equals, now I can distribute the 7. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times negative 1, negative 7. Great. Now, we still, of course, want to isolate x. So I'm going to subtract 7x from both sides of the equation and subtracted 2 as well. I don't know why I hesitated there, really. 7x minus 7x is 0. X minus 7x is negative 6x. 2 minus 2 is 0. And negative 6 minus 2, that's a 7, not a 6. I don't know where the 6 came from. Negative 7 minus 2 is negative 9. There we go. So negative 6x equals negative 9. Then I can just actually divide both sides by negative 6. So x is equal to negative 9 divided by negative 6. We can make that, or make them, just a positive, since negative divided by a negative is just a positive. And 9 divided by 6, I can just reduce this to 3 over 2 by dividing the top and the bottom by 3. Great. So does this answer work? Yes, it does. And why is that? Because if I were to plug it in for x, I will get positive answers, positive numbers for both logs, because 3 over 2 is just 1.5 anyways. 1.5 minus 1 is positive half, so that works. 1.5 plus 2 is 3.5. That's also positive, so it also works. So that's it. The answer is 3 over 2.